Mom! Mom! I'm here! Listen! Mom! I wrote a book! A novel! And it's about adventures!
Sweetie, I'm sorry. I really have no time right now. I have to clean the house.
Please, Mom! Dad! Dad! Dad, hey! I wrote a novel! It's about a hero! Dad! A novel! It's about adventures!
Hey, kiddo, could you wait for just a minute? I'm just trying to adjust this small plug here.
Oh, please, Dad!
Quiet, please.
What lovely weather for astronomy this year. Listen, I wrote a book. A novel. About adventures and stuff.
True writers write novels, that's what I think anyway. They all have these long, long beards. You know that, right? And these true writers are very old, and that's because they've been learning to write novels their entire life. And they all grew so very old by the end of their careers.
Oh, hi there, Ethan. Come and play with us.
No, thank you, girls. I will stand here with you.
What are all those papers in your bag?
Oh, you mean these? They're nothing, really.
Please tell us what they are.
Oh, please, Ethan. Just tell us already.
Well, it's, I wrote a book, you know. It's called The Frightless Hero.
Ooh, wow. That's super cool. Can you read it to us?
Well, I don't know. I'm really not a true writer.
Oh, never mind. We want to listen.
Okay, listen. It was a gloomy night in the city. Ha! Wow! Whoa! How was it?
It was awesome.
It was so amazing. You're a real talent.
Oh, wow. We could never write like this ever.
Do you think you will continue it? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Is Ethan home?
He must be in his room. He's been in there all day. We're a little worried.
Tell me, is there anything urgent? Can I leave him a message, maybe?
Ethan wrote a book, a great big novel.
And he read it to us. And we were thrilled to bits.
With the novel, I mean.
And Ethan promised to write a sequel.
And so we came.
That's interesting. We'd love to hear that, really.
Oh, may I please stand here? Over here with you, if you don't mind.
Quiet, please.
The first chapter. Hey friends, press to subscribe and watch the new episodes. Hip dip sky blue, hip dip sky blue. Who's it? It's you. Ha! That's it. Get ready, I'm starting to count. Go hide. 1, 2, 1, 2, peekaboo. Where did you all go? Aha! I found you! No, look what I found. Whoa. Ethan, let's go call the guys. Whoa.
This tunnel is nowhere on the maps, you know.
You know what? I wonder where it will take us in the end.
Guys, no. The tunnel is very old. It must be dangerous. Let's go back home.
It's not dangerous at all. Just look here. See this? Look what you've done!
It's okay, don't push. Just keep calm.
Ow! Ow, that hurt! Ow!
I think that we're all fine.
Oh my, guys, where are we? Look, it says here, the old train city.
This is the lost city Grandpa Billy told us about a long time ago. The lost city, huh? Of course. Many books have been written about it.
Wow, guys, do you know what this means? If this is indeed the lost city, there must be a lost treasure inside it. Yes. The treasure. Wow.
Oh, look! The treasure!
Open it, quickly. Hey, follow the treasure! I'll catch it. Oh!
What an evasive chest!
So what's inside? Some blueprints and train machinery parts. A collection of garbage.
But the treasure, is there any treasure there?
No, guys.
These are the first locomotive spare parts. This might be greater treasure than gold itself, guys.
Dear tourists, please follow me. And here's our first tour guide ever. Hey, fish! Hello!
Hello there, fish.
Hey, fish! Can you hear us? Hey! Be quiet, kids. Please don't make any noise in the oceanarium. You're scaring the fish away.
One more time now. What a great catch! Awesome!
Ethan, you ran around like...
Yeah, Ethan, like a real submarine.
Hey, you! Be quiet! You're scaring my fish away.
Why are fish scared of everything?
You know they're mysterious creatures.
This is really very interesting. Look, it's awesome. Something's missing here. I've got got it. This is our new submarine. We're now going to know everything about our fish, guys.
Guys, I'm gonna wait for you on the shore.
Don't be afraid. George is a genius. He has everything worked out.
Take the radio and keep in touch.
Hey, fish! Hello? Hello?
Hello, fish.
Are you all right in there?
We're fine, Vera. Oh, what's that? The oceanarium doesn't have all this metal junk. Look at all this. What a mess.
Let's make a present for Grandpa Billy.
Oh, yeah, he'll be very happy.
One more time. Vera, would you help me? What a great catch today. Awesome.
You don't believe how much junk Grandpa Billy pulled out now.
Whom are you talking to?
Me?
You.
Nobody, just myself.
Don't go out of your head for joy now. Right, I'm going home.
Are you rising to the surface?
We're drowning.
We're drowning!
Oh my goodness, help! Help! SOS! Ethan and George are drowning!
One more time.
Grandpa Billy, one more time!
Thank you. You saved our lives.
Did you find out why fish are scared of everything?
We didn't have much time. Let's go to the oceanarium.
Oh, wow. That's awesome. So many beautiful stars. George, can you tell me what this red planet is?
That's Mars.
It's my turn to look now. It's red indeed. Hey, George, why is Mars so red?
Because there's no water up there. Everything's dried out and turned red.
Poor little Martians. It must be very sad to live without trees and flowers.
Mom, did you know that there's no water on Mars at all? That all the Martians have dried out?
Yes, I know. You can bring them water tomorrow if you want. Good night, sweetie.
I will.
Oh dear, what a sad planet. Not a tree, not a trace of grass, and the heat.
Whoa. Look, those pyramids over there look like an entire town. Whoa.
Guys, we have to explore them. After me.
That feels great. How's my kingdom doing out there? And how is it outside? Is it very hot out there?
Doing bad. The heat is 100 degrees. The rain comes only in 100 years.
And tell me, why are you so dirty, huh? And steaming like that?
No, I apologize, Your Majesty. I haven't washed for a long time, and I got overheated. There's no water to be found in the kingdom.
Go and chill and go wash yourself over there. But don't waste too much of my water.
Oh, you are so kind.
Stop hissing, will you? And turn the tap off. Turn it off, I said.
Huh? The water has all dried up.
Get out!
Captain, where are we?
Well, it seems to be a very secret tunnel. Everybody, put the invisible mode on! No water on the surface. And a huge reservoir here in the dungeon. That's very interesting. Let's follow them.
If anybody asks, we didn't see nothing.
Aha! That's how you're wasting our precious water. How could you?
Who's there?
We are the ghosts of the desert.
No water in the kingdom, and he is watering his flowers.
Oh, no, I won't do it anymore. I'm a bit stingy, but I will do it right. I promise. I can go out and water the whole kingdom all by myself right now. Just give me a chance. I'll make it right.
Oh, look how beautiful.
All right then, guys. Our expedition was an incredible success. It's time to go home to our sweet Trans City. Mom, we have saved the whole kingdom up there on Mars, and now it is as beautiful as our home. Well, no. There is no place like home. Hey, friends! Press to subscribe and watch the new episodes.